Welcome to ClearTask. Today I will show you how to link other devices to your Signal app quickly and securely. Open the Signal app on your primary phone where your account is already active. Look at the top left corner of the main screen and tap on your profile icon. In the settings menu, select Link Devices. Tap on the Link a New Device button. Signal takes your privacy seriously, so you will be asked to confirm your identity. Tap Continue and enter your phone's lock pin. Once confirmed, tap OK. Your phone will then ask for permission to access your camera. Allow this access as you will need it for the next part. Now switch over to the device you want to link, like your desktop computer or a tablet. Open the Signal app on that new device, and a QR code will appear on the screen. Point your phone's camera at that screen to scan the QR code. The app will process it instantly, and your new device will be securely linked to your account. Your messages will now sync across both devices. If this guide helped you, subscribe to ClearTask. You can find more of our tutorials at youtube.com/@ClearTaskOfficial. Thanks for watching.